I'm very proud to present to you this new concept watch, which is a MikroPendulumS. So we have two tourbillons, and the regulation is done by a magnet, so we call it a pendulum. And we have like one tourbillon with 12 Hz, and the other one is a 50 Hz. It means that we have an accuracy of 100th of a second. This innovation was the continuity of a previous concept that we showed in 2010, and we made a lot of improvement because the first one was very sensitive to the temperature and the accuracy was not so good. So we work on the shape of the magnet, on the material, and so today we realize this breakthrough. This is the commercial version. In this watch we have a magnet system for the chronograph, and so the same system for the chronograph, 50 Hz, no more hairspring, just magnetic system. The target is to go to the low frequencies, and I hope that one day we will reach the 4 Hz or 5 Hz, and thanks to that we will be able to produce our own regulation system with the magnetic things. And moreover, it's very easy to produce magnetic things. The hard thing is before to calculate the shape, the material, all this stuff. It's a normal series, I think few hundred pieces. It's an interesting price because it's only 35,000 Swiss francs. If we want to sell this kind of watch, we need to have a great innovation inside, because we are not Patek Philippe, we are not Rolex. So to come in this market of haute horlogerie, but for us, let's say it's horlogerie d'avant-garde.